This series is shipped in CKD form. Please watch the detailed assemble tutorial. Landing gear installation. Step 1. Open the package, take out the draw frames, landing gear, and fittings. Step 2. Remove the front, rear upper, and lower covers. Turn over the frame. Step 3. Insert the mounts into both ends of the burnt legs and install it into frame. Notice the arrow to head. Use screws to fasten. Install another landing gear in this way. Step 4. Install the 40 fixing according to the positional marks on the bent legs. Note the interface horizontal inward. Step 5. Insert the front crossbar F and rear crossbar B into the T-fittings. Fasten with screws. Step 6. Restore the receiver antenna. Remove the tab. Put the antenna cable into slots. Fasten with screws. After the antenna is installed, turn over the body, press the frame to lever the draw, tighten mount seat of the landing gear. Arm and motor installation. Step 1. Pay attention to each arm label and motor code. Clockwise from the head is M1 to M4 in turn. Install the CCW at M1 and M3 and install the CW at M2 and M4. Step 2. The M1 and M2 arms only with the motor cable, but M3 and M4 arms with through the water pipe and the nozzle adapter cable first, and then straighten into the motor cables, and then light lock them to avoid falling off. Step 3. Remove the buckle, unplug the power adapter cable and the rubber ring. Step 4. Install the gasket into the arm and into the frame. Note that the arm and the motor must be matched. When installed the rear arm, the water pipe is at the back and pass the cable at the front. Then tighten the screws. Please screw bottom nuts to prevent losing. Step 5. Insert the low pin into the hole of the arm holder. Insert the hexagonal stud into the low pin and tighten it with a hexagonal lever. Insert the short pin into the hole of the handle and adjust the handle with the suitable angle. Use the screw insert into the hex stud and tighten. Step 6. After the motor is installed, then the lever is to ensure the motor is level with the ground and tighten the screws. Cable installation. Step 1. Arrange the cables, pass them through the rubber protective, and then insert the protective ring to arm. Step 2. Pass all the cables through the buckle. Make sure the rubber coin is aligned with the buckle is aligned with the flutter, and tighten. Then adjust the rubber coin and the cables to ensure they are not bent. Step 3. Please refer this picture to connect each cables. Apply grease to the signal plugs, and the plug cannot be skewed. If it can't be inserted, please check whether the pin is bent. When installation, the front cables. Know the left power adapter cable is connected to the right motor cable, and the right power adapter cable is connected to the left motor cable. Camera installation. Step 1. Use screws to install the adapter on the camera, and use half straightened screws and lock nuts to install it on the front body. Step 2. Pass the camera harnesses through the seal at bottom and insert the plug into the front girth board, then restore the seal. Nozzle installation. The nozzle is installed onto the two rear motors of M3 and M4. Step 1. Remove the power module of the centrifugal nozzle. Insert the nozzle cable into the nozzle adapter bracket. The nozzle face outwards. Then lock adapter bracket. Step 2. Insert the nozzle wire into the motor terminal, then restore the nozzle. Step 3. Insert the water turbine into the motor pneumatic connector. Spare tank installation. Step 1. Unlock the buckle of the water pipe at the bottom of the tank. Put the tank into the frame and lock the buckle. Step 2. Connect the two water hoses from the rear arms to the tank pipe adapter. Step 3. Connect the main control cable to the multifunction transfer cable of the drone body. Finally, restore the covers to complete the assembly.